Everyone, welcome back to CSC 151 Computer Applications. This is your first do-it-yourself project in Python. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the result of this program, and you're going to have to make up the code to have it yourself. So, I'm going to enter my name. My name is David. Enter. Welcome, David. The random number is this. Please type another number to confirm. I don't know, 5. Enter. Your flashcards are 19 plus 5 equals 24. 19 minus 5, so on and so forth. So basically it's taking the random number and the number I typed in and making these results. There we go. And just to prove it's random, let's go again. Hello, welcome, David. Okay, well, maybe this time my name is Sarah. Hello, Sarah. The random number is 69. Okay, well, let's try, 9. Enter. 69 plus 9 is that. 69 minus 9 is that. 69 times 9 is that. 69 divided by 9 is 7 point that, until it eventually got sick and tired of doing 2/3. So yes, these are in fact randomized numbers, and the number you have that you type in is there, and same with the name you type in is remembered over here. So, that's it. You're entering your name, picking a random number, you're entering a number, and then you're going to make these little flashcard equations out of those numbers. And that's basically it. Once you have done that, once you've made the code, either copy and paste the code into a Word document or send me the file and send it through Canvas. And please remember to take the quiz. Thank you very much. You have a great day. See you next week, where we'll be getting into some more difficult coding using conditional logic and loops.